The next, you see on the screen, you see that bend. What is that sound signal? Looking at the figure, looking at this slide, can you tell me what is this sound signal? Rule 34.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
It is showing one prolonged blast, is it?
Sir,
So what is that?
blast, sir. Prolonged blast, sir.
4 to 6 seconds mean what?
Long.
इंटरवल है सर, इंटरवल है उसका प्रोलॉन्ग ब्लास्ट का.
Okay. So you should be able to understand. See here. No normal anchoring. Emergency, yes. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Where it relates to? To overtaking.
Starboard side, sir.
No, it relates to what? What situation? Overtaking.
Overtaking.
So overtaking is allowed in narrow channel or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Huh?
Allowed, sir.
Allowed. And if it is allowed, then what to do?
The vessel
Will follow the
to be overtaken.
obligation under Rule 13.
Yes, sir.
This sound signal is indicating that I intend to overtake to starboard. And then if in agreement, if the vessel to be overtaken, he agreed. So he will only agree if he can allow that vessel, if he can make way for her. So he will agree and he will give a sound signal indicating that, okay, you are permitted, allowed to overtake. And if he is not, he will not allow. So overtaking rule says, rule number 13, obligation is, what is that obligation? That vessel which intend to overtake, she has to ask permission or inform that vessel by the sound signal. I intend to overtake you on the starboard or port, whatever it is. And that fellow has to be, if in agreement, then he will reply that. If he is not in agreement, he may not allow. So that means, remember this, overtaking is permitted in a narrow channel provided as per the obligations under Rule 13, overtaking rules, provided that vessel to be overtaken gives the permission, then only, subject to that. In other case, what happened when the vessel intend to overtake starboard, he will sound this signal. So on hearing the signal, and if you have sufficient sea room, that person will obviously move out and make the vessel's way to overtake. Or if it's not possible, if it is not possible in a sense, if she is in a narrow channel where the width is very less, not much of a sea room. Secondly, suppose in open sea, there's a lot of traffic. The lot of traffic is there, but then if you have sufficient sea room, so then he can. But here, if there is no traffic, then that vessel may permit. But if suppose there is another vessel, so he will obviously not. So in such a case, the vessel which is into water, he has to take permission. Not only expressing the intention, but also to ask permission through the signal. And this fellow has to be in agreement. Then only you can overtake.